Okay, to force Windows XP and VirtualBox to boot into safe mode, click Start, then Run, then enter msconfig, click OK, go to the boot.ini tab, and click Safe Boot. Then you can choose Minimal or Network. I'm going to choose Network because I need to download the VBox Additions. Click Apply, OK, click Restart. Then you'll boot up into safe mode, do whatever you need to do. When you're done, click Start, Run, enter msconfig, go to boot.ini, uncheck Safe Boot. Apply, close, and restart. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.